The holidays have arrived, and there are three things you can always count on: Mariah Carey, Santa Claus, and people wanting to spend money. Each new year is another chance to ride the revenue wave and cash in like your favorite brands.
From kickstarting the year with smart outreach to using fresh sales strategies, there are ways to grab and keep customer attention. Annual sales are perfect for boosting revenue, but optimizing your approach can maximize results. So, what are the best marketing tactics for a seasonal sale? We ask the experts.
1.
We found that the more we push a sale, whether it's aside from a holiday sale or a regular sale, it's just the consistency in which you get in front of your customers, because you can have a sale. What is the saying? If a tree falls in a forest and no one is there, or whatever that saying is, it's kind of the same thing. If you don't tell your customers more than once, they're not going to know. They're not going to have any idea your sale isn't going to work. So again, it does go back to planning, but planning in the sense of, okay, I know my sale is this. How many weeks in advance do I need to start telling them about it? There's a fine line, because if you tell them about it, too far in advance, they may wait to make their purchases until then, and you're going to have a dip in revenue. But you need to find what's right for your business, but make sure that they know well enough in advance of that sale for Christmas.
2.
The holiday season in general is really challenging because you're go, go, go. As a business owner, you're behind it, you're pushing ads, you're pushing sales. And then it's really hard to see that sharp drop off after the holiday season ends, but it does happen across industries. And one thing that I have seen work is really putting yourself in the shoes of the consumers and just commiserating, being right there with them. Like, hey, we get it. January can be really depressing. February can be depressing. Dollars are spent from the holidays. You're coming off of what maybe was just a very stressful season, right? There's a lot of planning and gifting and partying and family obligations and all things that are really wonderful and fun, but also take a lot out of you emotionally and mentally and physically. So I think just putting yourself right there with them as a brand and saying, hey, we get it. we're in the same boat. We're tired, we're whatever, putting out messaging that just humanizes the brand. And then, maybe running a special alongside that, saying listen, we get it. The holidays were rough. Here's this discount, or here's a special we're running, or here's a free gift you could get with this. When people see that a brand is human and they can connect and they feel that pull, that human emotional pull from our brand, it really makes a big difference in being willing to dig into your wallet.
3.
When we are running a sales, it always has a reason. For example, the July 4th, we have a reason to celebrate. So, it's July 4th, and then there will be a sales going on. So it always ties in with a special event during that period of time, be it Labor Day, Memorial Day, Mother's Day, Christmas, Thanksgiving, you name it. Each special day is a chance for us to run a sales. And remember, the sale is for a limited time only. If the sale is stretched out too long, customers do not have the urgency or the memory to go and use this special promotion. So by giving it a week or at most 2 weeks, you make customer want to purchase and to make use of this good opportunity to get the good items at a good price.
The Best of Business show is brought to you by the Bassa Awards. The Bassa Awards exist to recognize, reward, and promote exceptional small businesses. We run 4 award programs: Best of America, Best of Australia, Best of Canada, Best of UK. Remember, it's strictly for small businesses only. Nominate your business today.